morning. Welcome back. Day 2 of the 4th annual.
Well, day 2 for some and day 1 for others.
That's true.
We have a couple of teams competing today, and I believe we have Canyon Middle School 1 who was here yesterday. Let's hear you, Canyon Middle School 1. All right. And then we have Spring Branch Middle School. And I think their first day today, correct?
This is their first competition, that's right.
So let's unmute that mic. Let's hear you, Spring Branch Middle School. Yeah, we've got some excited students, I think.
It's early.
Yes. I do want to make a note. We are streaming live today. So make sure you remember that we are visible to everyone who will click on Comal ISD.
That's right.
We're going to go through the rules, as we know that one of the teams is new today, so we do need to go through the rules, and then we'll just get started. All right? So mic's muted, please. And, there's 3 rounds. So round 1 has 40 questions, and they're worth 1 point apiece.
That's right. And then round 2 has 35 questions, which are worth 2 points. And then round 3 has 30 questions worth 3 points each.
And so each round is 10 minutes long.
That's right. And you can use formula chart, highlighters, pencils, calculators, anything like that. But we will ask you to take all cell phones and put them away, turned off and kept away from the tables.
We also ask that you make sure that your bubbles, not only do they need to be dark and neat, but they need to be bubbled within the 10-minute time frame. And we will give you a few warnings during that 10-minute time frame.
Yeah, we'll give you a 5-minute warning, a 1-minute warning, and then we'll count down the last 5 seconds. Also know that each campus has an instructional facilitator there to help out. They have the packets with all the questions and with the answer sheet. So when we finish, when the 10 minutes is up, make sure you give that answer sheet back to the facilitator who will get it scored for you.
And remember, teachers, you can't help your students. There's no help from the adults. So students, this is all you. I know you're prepared for that. You've been working and practicing, so I know you're ready.
All right, are there any questions?
All right, facilitators, if you'll give us a thumbs up when your teams are ready, and if we can get 10 minutes on the clock.
All right, looks like both teams are ready.
Both teams are ready. So students, you may begin. Good luck.
Students, this is your 5-minute warning.
Students, this is your 1-minute warning. Five,
4,
3,
2,
1.
time's up. Put your pencils down.
clear off your space. Get rid of those round one questions. Make sure your answer documents are turned into your facilitators. And get ready for round two.
There you go. Get everything cleaned up so we can get going. While we're waiting for that, why don't we introduce a few people? At Spring Branch, I know we have some teachers that are there. I know I've seen at least one. We've got Miss Johnson and Miss O'Connor. Can you guys give us a wave? There, I see Miss O'Connor hanging out over there. And also their instructional facilitators, Miss Grell and Miss Powell, I believe, are both around there.
Oh, the teacher is there. There she
There
is.
she
Nice
is.
big wave. And Miss Hester is our IF that's helping out. Great job. You know, our technology facilitators have been at this for a long time, I
know.
believe.
They do such a good job,
Yep.
too. We appreciate all of that.
Absolutely. So let's get ready for round two.
Once we're ready and we've got the questions, let's get a thumbs up from both teams. See, Canyon is ready. There's Miss Grell.
Spring Branch is getting ready.
Spring Branch, thumbs up. Okay, 10 minutes on the clock. And you may begin round two.
Good luck.
5-minute warning, students, 5 minutes.
Students, this is your 1-minute warning. You have 1 minute. Four,
3,
2.
1.
All right, students, pencils down. Go
Great
ahead.
job.
Yes, and hand those documents over for scanning. It's always really cool to see the teamwork that goes on during these.
It is. This is a lot of fun for us. And I believe that we do have the scores as they stood after round 1. So why don't we take a look at those?
Woo! It is
wow.
a close game. Now remember, round 1 was worth 1 point.
Correct.
And round 2 was worth 2 points.
That's right. So it's anybody's game. And then as we go into this round, this last round, it's 3 points per question.
Yep.
So make sure we focus on this last round. Very important.
And I believe there's 30 questions on round 3.
Correct.
So 3 points apiece. It's anybody's game. Well, when we have the area cleared off and the teams are ready, let's wait for a thumbs up.
They look ready to go.
They do look ready to go.
All right, 10 minutes on the clock. And you may begin round 3.
Good luck.
5-minute warning, students.
Students, this is your 1-minute warning. You have 1 minute. Five,
4,
3,
2.
1.
All right, pencils down.
Get ready for round 3. Clean up all your papers and all of that. Oh, get ready for round 3. I apologize. So we're going to get ready for round 3. Oh, sorry, we are finished. I am crazy, apparently.
I do think we have the scores, though,
Yes.
as they were completed after rounds 1 and 2. Could we take a look at those scores? Oh, wow. Canyon Middle School, 101. Spring Branch, 94. But again,
Still very, very close.
very close, and 3 points a question in that last round. So Got to wait to see what happens.
And from what I understand, the questions get considerably harder. Is that correct for each round?
That is correct.
So it's still anybody's game.
That's right.
We do want to remind you again that we are live streamed, and we thought this would be a nice opportunity if you wanted to wave at mom, just in case mom or dad or aunt or uncle or somebody's watching. So, hi mom.
Hi, Mom.
I think we've talked to our moms, so hopefully they're watching you.
Looks like we have a little dance cheer thing going at Canyon.
Yes, while we await those final scores. So, I was looking at this day in history and some interesting facts for today, and I found out that today, and I don't know, we're in a room without windows, so I don't know what it's like out there, but today is National May Ray Day.
May Ray Day.
I know, when I first saw that, I was like, what do they mean? Ray, like as in rays of sunshine. So it's get out there and enjoy that sunshine. So hopefully we get a chance to do that.
I hope so. We haven't seen a lot of sun recently.
No, and I came in River Road today, and there was a lot of water on the road, so I don't know about the rain chances, but I have a feeling they're going up.
Well, hopefully you get a chance to get out there today at some point.
Hopefully. I also saw something interesting about the NFL. I didn't know that this day in 1935 is when they established a process for recruiting from college.
Huh.
And it actually didn't occur till 1936, but I never thought about that they didn't recruit from colleges all that time.
That's right.
And you had mentioned, the football league was not really a big thing at that time.
Right, college football was a lot more popular than the NFL, so it took a little while for college players to realize that would be a good way to go. But obviously, it's doing well now.
I think it's moving forward and really a big thing these days, especially with Super Bowl and everything else that goes on.
That's right.
I know we talked with the other team, but this team, I don't know if I just want to remind them that we do have a 4-day weekend coming up.
Yes, very nice.
I'm hoping we don't have to use a bad weather day between now and then. That would be quite the bummer, but
No, I think we'll be okay until then, hopefully. So.
They were saying that Monday's supposed to be great for barbecues. I'm not sure what everybody else is doing. I don't even know what I'm doing at this point.
Yeah, hopefully we'll just kind of relax and enjoy some time off. It'll be nice.
Well, and I'm not sure. Are you going to plan to do any moving this weekend?
Yes, I am moving into a new house, so I've got that going. That's exciting.
That's exciting, but a lot of work.
A lot of work, but it'll be worth it.
We'll probably have to pull some weeds. I think the weeds are knee-high these days in our little area.
I see a lot of anxious faces out there, but we're just waiting on these last scores, and we'll post them as soon as we have them.
I know. I'm anxious to see, what happens with round 3 because you really never know.
I know. We saw some comebacks yesterday, as a matter of fact.
I don't know that we'll plan for having one of those, but just in case,
We'll post a question on the board for the students to see. It's not a multiple choice question this time, so it'd be an open-ended question. Each team would get 1 minute to answer it, and whoever gets it correct would break the tie. If they both get it right, we move on and do another tiebreaker.
Wow,
So,
that would be a tough round, I believe.
yes.
Do we have any AVID students in the crowd? Are there any students who are in the AVID program? Don't see any. All right. Well, I just got a thumbs up.
Okay.
I do believe we have scores, so
good.
drum
All right,
roll.
let's see it.
Woo, that was
wow, it
close.
did get even closer, but great job on both teams.
Congratulations for all your hard work, and we'll see CMS1 in the next round.
That's right.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.